Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to allow tags from people you follow on Instagram with the latest updated method. If you've been trying to manage who can tag you in photos and posts, but don't want to completely block tags altogether, this is the perfect setting to adjust. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will open up your personal profile, where you can see your posts, highlights, and account settings. Next, look toward the top right corner of your profile page and tap on the three-line menu icon. This opens up a menu with different options to customize your account preferences and privacy. From here, you want to choose the option called Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a little until you find Tags and Mentions. Tap on it and you'll see a list of controls related to how other people can interact with your account by tagging or mentioning you. Now, under the Tags section, you'll be able to set who can tag you in their posts. You'll see different choices like allowing tags from everyone, allowing tags only from people you follow, or not allowing tags from anyone at all. Since we want to make sure tags only come from people we trust and actually follow, go ahead and select Allow Tags from People You Follow. When you've tapped that option, you're all set. Instagram will now only allow people you follow to tag you in their posts. This setting makes it much easier to control your notifications and helps prevent random accounts from tagging you without your permission. That's all it takes, just a few quick taps, and your tag settings are customized exactly the way you want them. Remember, you can always come back to this setting anytime and adjust it if your preferences change. Thanks for watching.